Got a pretty special Mustang here, folks. It's a 1968 Mustang Genuine GT, documented with the Marti Report. There's copies of it on our website. So it's an S code 390 with a 4-speed. It has a 325 posi in the back end, upper and lower consoles, deluxe interior, all sorts of good stuff. And it's all documented with the Marti Report, including the fact that they only made 74 in this color, Gulfstream Aqua with the Parchment Deluxe interior. So it's a rare car. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door. Price, finance information is all at volocars.com. QR code you can scan at any time, and it'll bring you directly to this car, along with the link in the description. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Beautiful car. I seen this outside at a car show, and just stunning, the Gulfstream Aqua. So it has the louvered hood, the sprint hood. There's turn signals built in there. All clean, all straight, all fits nice. The paint's laid out beautifully. It has the blackout hood treatment, they call it. They're painted on, gloss black stripes, smooth to the touch. Yeah, the metallics all laid out, and the clear coat is shiny. And then the C stripe, it looks like a letter C, is also painted on, and they did it correct dimensions. They didn't mess it up. Door is all nice and clean. Shuts nice and solid. The roof is all clean, straight. Quarter panels all clean, straight. Even behind the tires, the trunk's all looking good. No damage, no rust or anything like that. Has a slight texture in the paint. One more really good wet sand if you're, really fussy, and polish it will make it like glass everywhere. But it's really a smooth, glossy finish. Right behind the tires here, the quarter panels all nice and clean. Painted on stripe, of course, on this side too. All looking good. The windshield, that looks new. It's crystal clear. The moldings are all very good on the car. Bumper's been replaced, has the GT fog lamps, the running horse and the grill, all looking real good. Looks like it has some upgraded LED headlights in there, nice and bright. BF Goodrich tires look new, and they're all wrapped around the GT wheels. These are 15, probably 15 by 8, so a little bigger size than the original. They're reproduction. They're like brand new because they practically are. Nice shiny chrome wheels. All this trim is nice, all good. Door handle's good. The little louver's good. Rear window's original. It has typical scratches in the rear window. Rear marker light looks new. Then coming around the back, we got the GT pop-open gas cap and bumper and taillights. All that looks like it's been replaced. Has the GT quad tips coming out through the lower valance. So again, a really beautiful car, good-looking colors. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you. All right, pop the trunk open. Painted nicely, the latch is clean, we got a sticker, the jam is clean, weather strip is replaced. Inside looks clean, all has a nice neat spatter finish and a really nice fitting carpet with bound edges. Looks really good laid in there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, you'll be notified as new videos are posted. Jams are good, weather strips were replaced, sill plates were replaced. So this is a Parchment Deluxe interior. So it has a little fancier door panels, some wood grain trim that all looks real fresh. The lights worked on the bottom of the doors. I think the Parchment with the Aqua looks great. So they do have an oil pressure gauge mounted here because the factory gauges does not include that. But again, being a deluxe, has the wood grain, looks like the chrome bezels all replaced. Has a working clock, has a tachometer, it was optional, even on the GT. Dash pad's new, all the bezels are new. So it has an updated retro stereo, kind of looks like an original, but it's a modern stereo. And it looks like they put in a little jack right here and a USB plug-in. All nice and clean. All the turquoise inside is repainted. New kick panels, the lights work, nice fresh, nice fitting carpet. Here's another reason I bought the car. It's a factory 4-speed, has the right shifter, a little garage door center console. Console's in real nice shape. Right away when you sit in the car, you'll feel nice fresh cushions. It's nice and firm, which means the upholstery fits real well. It's all new. Headrests, they were an option. They're on the Marti Report. Optional headrests. Back here, carpets look nice. Seats are reupholstered. Side panels are reupholstered. Got some 6x9 speakers back there to go with the modern stereo. Headliner's new, a few little wrinkles in it. And it has the overhead console as well. And that's also on the Marti Report. Pretty much what it is, map lights. And they got blue bulbs in there. The visors were replaced. The mirror's real nice. Beautiful deluxe steering wheel. That looks like it's new. I'm sure it is. So overall, pretty darn nice looking deluxe interior with some nice options. So this is the correct 390 motor. We checked the dates and the casting. It's been completely rebuilt, bored 30 over, has fresh pistons in it. So you got nice, strong running 390 engine. Air cleaner looks to be in really nice shape. Plug wires are all run neatly. It's a nice chrome valve covers, stock exhaust manifolds. And then the engine bay is all nice and clean. Look at the metal, all nice and clean here. Cadmium plated fender bolts. This looks new, the solenoid. There's the horns up front, the right shroud. It is upgraded with an aluminum water pump. And then we also have factory power steering, factory power brakes. Car came with both of those options. The windshield bottles, squirters are hooked up. So nice engine apart. Presents very nicely, and it's a correct, strong running, rebuilt 390. Michael's going to show you how well it runs. I'll see you in a few minutes.
In a light little car like this and a 4-speed, that's what I call a good time. Very gorgeous car. I'm sure you guys are all aware of that already, but the interior is practical as well. I just got out of a car that has a black interior. It's an extremely hot day, and there's a significant difference in the temperature. It's way more comfortable, way cooler also. So, but you see, 390's running great, 4-speed's a blast, got power steering here, and yeah, let's see what she's got. Up to about 70, bring it back down to 60 now, and yeah, just cruise. What a great car. Everything's been freshened up on here, but it still has a very original feel to it, and that's a great thing, and that's why I really like it. So goes down the street straight, shifts very nicely, the clutch isn't aggressively heavy or anything like that. And it just does everything that you could want it to. Last little downshift for you there. And with that said, If you're not convinced already, you can come take it for a test drive yourself. You're always welcome here at the museum, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath the car is very nice as well. The floors appear to be dry, clean, rust-free metal, same with the frame rails, and they sprayed it in primer like it would have looked leaving the factory. So not undercoated, just nice, dry, clean metal. The suspension and steering has all been rebuilt. Actually, it looks brand new. Upgraded bushings, polyurethane bushings on the sway bar, the springs, all that looks fresh. The power steering ram underneath there. Air shocks were put in the back, the little nozzles in the trunk to fill those up. Great sounding dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. This is a factory disc brake car in front, and it's upgraded with Willwood disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors, e-brakes hooked up, fuel system's been replaced. You look up at the motor, it has a chrome oil pan. It has what I believe is the original 4-speed. The tag is still on the side of it. RUG, I think it's AD, and that comes back as a 1968 Mustang 390. In back, 325 traction lock gears. So it's got a lot of good options, a lot of good features comes with this car. There's not another one of these out there like this, with this desirable color combination, the 390, the 4-speed. It's restored to a very nice level. It's not a rotisserie perfect car, but it's a really good car with a lot of restoration work done to it. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, like how to get your Mustang GT delivered to your door. Thanks for watching.